In this video, I am going to show you how to search Google and send result from your Gboard. You can search and share anything from your mobile device, like nearby restaurants, videos, or weather forecast. Welcome back to the tutorial lab. If you are new here, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Let's get started. On your Android phone or tablet, first install Gboard. Open any app that you can type with, like message. Tap where you can enter text. At the top of your keyboard, tap the three vertical dot menu. Tap search. Then type your search. Below or next to a search result, tap share. A link to the page will show in the message field. From here, you can share this link to anyone, or you can copy this link as well. If you want to visit the website, then tap View More. By this way, you can search Google and send result from your Gboard. That was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you don't subscribe the channel yet, please do subscribe. Get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.